So sex determination in humans. Sex determination sex determination in humans. In human beings, there are 23 pairs of the chromosome. 23 pairs of chromosomes. Out of 23 pairs, 22 pairs are similar in both males and the females. These chromosomes are called as the autosomes. These chromosomes are called as the autosomes. So 22 pairs of chromosomes are similar in both male and female and called as autosomes. Called as autosomes. While 23rd pair is different in both males and the females. 23rd pair is different in both in female. It is XX and in males it is XY. 23rd pair in female XX. 23rd pair in female is XX and male in XY. It is different. And called as sex chromosomes. Sex chromosomes. So, sex chromosome is responsible for the determination of sex in the individual. So we can study the sex determination, how it takes place. It takes place during fusion of male and female gametes. When male and female gametes fuse together, they determine the sex. Where this process takes place, sex determination, since fertilization takes place in fallopian tubes, so determination of sex takes place in fallopian tubes. So male we can study in case of the male and female. Male and the female. Male having autosomes plus XY. Here male is heterogamety and female having autosomes plus XX. They will produce the gametes. It produce the sperm and female produce the ovum. So they producing the gametes. Gametes. Since it is the heterogamety, so this will produce two type of the gametes. Two type of the gametes are produced by the male. Sorry, it is male. And the autosome plus sex chromosome. This one gamete and other gamete is the autosome plus sex chromosome, that is the Y. In the same way, female producing autosome plus X and other gamete autosome plus X. Since this is the homogametic, so female has no role in the determination of the sex of the child. Female have no any role in the determination of the sex of a child. Only male is responsible for the determination of the sex of a child. So here, this one is fused together, sperm containing X chromosome fuse with the ovum. As a result, AA plus XX this is produced. And the same way, if sperm containing Y chromosome fuse with the ovum, this genetic makeup is such type AA plus XY. In this way, this child is female and this child is male. In this way, male and the female childs are the produced. We can write it in another way also. We can write it in another way also, that one we can write as male and this is female. Male is autosome plus XY and female having autosome plus X. These are the genetic makeups of the males and the females. XY. We can write in this way also. We can write in this way. This way. We can write in this way and so here this is female sorry, this is the XX. This is the X and the X. Female has autosomes plus X. Female is homogametic, so it produces only one type of the gametes. All the gametes contains autosome plus X chromosome. So autosome plus X chromosome is here, and male autosome plus X and autosome plus Y. So what they produce? This autosome plus X and X, when this ovum fuse with the sperm having the X chromosome. The same way autosome plus X and Y. Here autosome plus X and X. Here autosome plus X and Y. So we see here, when this ovum fuse with the sperm having X chromosome, as a result female child is produced. And in case of the male, and how male child produced, when ovum that contains X chromosome fused with the sperm having the Y chromosome, as a result male child is produced. So in this way there are 50-50 possibilities of the males and the female child. There is the 50-50% of the possibilities of the male and the female child. Male and female child, what proportion? 50-50%. But this ratio is not in our society. The number of the female child is less in comparison to the male child. There are the many reasons why the population of the female child is less. We will discuss in the later chapter. And generally females are blamed for the producing the female child. Females are in the rural areas. Generally females are the blame for the producing of female child. But it is not correct. It is incorrect. Because female do not play any role in the determination of the sex. Because it provide same type of the gamete, similar gamete. It is homogametic. While male is heterogametic, producing two type of the gametes. 50% of the male gamete having autosome plus X chromosome, while 50% of the sperm contains autosomes plus Y chromosome. So in this way, only male is responsible for the determination of the sex of a child. Female have no any role in the determination of the sex of a चलो, थैंक यू, दैट्स व्हाट।